Hello, it's Mother's Day. I'm here to buy Mother's Day cake. And here is my choice today. I'm just waiting for the sales lady to open the because she's on break, lunch break. So I will buy this cake now. I'm just waiting for the lady to come because it's her lunch break. That is for my mother's day cake with my daughter. So tasty. I'm here at the mall. We just had lunch here at Save More, Save More. This is Save More Mall. I'm just waiting for my daughter because she went to buy facial soap for her. That's a yummy cake.
Nakalive po kayo?
Ha?
Nakalive po kayo? Tawag ko kasi
Hindi, ako lang, mukha ko lang.
sa pagkanon.
Ah.
Sa sa'yo.
I'm just waiting for my daughter because she went to buy facial soap. There is my cake. I'm just waiting for my daughter. Just 1 minute more. Just 1 minute. She will be here in 1 minute. Many wants to buy cake because it's Mother's Day tomorrow. But we are buying it earlier today. Back to the cake again. My daughter is still out inside the grocery area. I'm just waiting for her so we can buy the cake and bring it home. There you go. Miss, wala nang ganyan. Yan ang inaantay ko sa'yo. Wala nang ganon? Ah, see, okay. Oh no, where's my daughter? I'm still waiting for her. Okay, I'll see you again on the next video. I have to go and get the cake now. Thanks for watching.